Okay, so I'm giving her the Tylenol. Whoa. Okay, so look at her face. She's so excited. Does this mean she's addicted? I'm kind of scared. Okay. Hold on. I gotta get it out of the thing. Okay? Look at that. That's scary. Nope. That's all. That's all. No more. No more. All done. Say bye-bye.